Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Twitch profile picture. It works on an iPhone, iOS device, Android device, on a mobile phone. Just like the video, comment down below if you have any questions around the video. I'll try to get back to every single comment, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to know is, and I've seen some videos about it, that you can't use the app. Yes, you can. There's an update that works in 2021. You got to go on the Google Play Store or the App Store, type in Twitch, and you want to make sure you just have the open option. If you have it, then you have the newest version. So when you have the recent version, you can just click on your profile picture at the top left corner. You want to go on my channel right here, and when it loads up, all we gotta do is just click on edit profile. It will load up in a second for me. And when you click on edit profile, you have your profile picture. You click on the profile picture, you click choose an existing photo. And for example, I can use a picture of this dog. If I do that, here it is. I have a profile picture with the dog. So this is all we gotta do. If you appreciate the video, give it a like, and I wanna see you in the next one.